Hello everyone, I'm Nagarjun from NKR Creations, and in today's video we are going to do the unboxing and review of this Boatstone 300 Bluetooth speaker. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you have not yet subscribed to the channel yet, please hit on the subscribe button, share this video to your friends. Let's get it started. Let's see a small unboxing video first. You have already seen the unboxing video, but also I'm going to tell what are the contents you are getting in the box. So firstly you're going to get this Boatstone 300 Bluetooth speaker. Then you are getting two cables. One is 3.5mm audio jack, using which you can connect your device directly with the speaker without using Bluetooth also. The next you are getting a micro USB to type A USB cable for charging the device, and then you are getting a small booklet of the information of the speaker and the features of the speaker, and then you are also getting a 1-year warranty card for the speaker. Talking about the features of the speaker, this speaker is having 50mm dynamic drivers, which is a great feature for a speaker under 999 rupees. And talking about the sound, it produces HD audio, and this speaker is having inbuilt 1500 milliampere battery. Then it is having IPX7 level water resistance, which means that you can even use the speaker inside the water. It will give you a 6-hour battery life with the built-in 1500 milliampere battery. If you charge this device completely, you can use it for around 6 hours with 70 to 80% of volume. Even I have tried, obviously you will get a 6-hour battery life. And this speaker produces 5-watt sound output. It is having a single speaker. This is having single speaker inside, which is a 5-watt speaker. And talking about the Bluetooth version, it is having Bluetooth connectivity 5.0, and also it is having a strap using which you can carry it everywhere. So these are all the features of this speaker. Talking about the build quality of the speaker, the build quality is very nice. I have bought this speaker around 2 weeks ago, so I have ordered this in the Big Billion Days. So it was available for 999 rupees during the Big Billion Days, and I'm using it since 2 weeks. Talking about the build quality, it's very nice. 2 to 3 times I have dropped this from height of table, but it's still working good. It's hard as a stone, I can tell. And talking about the buttons, you can see 4 buttons. At starting you can see power on and off button. Then you have a button to reduce the sound, button to play and pause the music, and a button to increase the sound. Coming to the ports, right side you have a rubber, so you should open like this. It is made up of rubber because water should not enter in this speaker when you are using it in the water. And coming on to the ports, you are having a port to charge the speaker type A, which is micro USB, and then you are having a 3.5mm audio jack, using which you can connect your speaker directly with the phone or laptop. Now let us on the speaker and connect the speaker with my laptop. You can even connect the speaker with your phone, but as I'm shooting this video in my phone, I would like to connect this with my laptop. It is same procedure if you are even connecting this with your phone. Okay, so now let's on the speaker first. So you should press this button.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
Now the speaker is on, and it is ready to pair with a phone or laptop. So in your same also follow the same procedure. So first you are going to,
Your device is ready to pair.
so it tells lately, but then you should on the Bluetooth in the laptop or mobile. After owning the Bluetooth, now you should connect to
You're now
Boatstone.
connected to Boatstone 300.
So you will be displayed a name called Boatstone 300. To that you should connect the device. Now actually this speaker is connected with my laptop. I can play the music using the speaker. Now I'm going to play a music this music will be at maximum sound. Okay. So this was the sound that was coming out from the speaker. This sound was at maximum volume. I would like to tell the quality which you have listened is not the quality this speaker produces, because this will be recording with my mic. Actually the sound you heard will depend on how is the quality of my mic. Actually according to me the quality of the speaker is really good at the maximum volume. This speaker just vibrates, so the bass on this the bass is very good on the speaker, and even the audio quality is very good. If you are planning to buy a speaker around 1,000 rupees, I would really recommend you to buy this. And actually the price now is 1,500 rupees. I'll give you the links in the description box below. I would recommend you not to buy the speaker for 1,500 rupees. Buy it if you really want the speaker. Buy it when the sales are going on for 1,000 rupees. Okay, so now if you want to off this device, just you can see you should keep press the same button.
Adios, amigo. Powering off.
So now the speaker is off. So this was the unboxing and review video of the Boatstone 300. I think you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please hit on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Thank you.